In the medical industry, precision saves lives. Every part, whether it's an implant, a surgical tool, or a device housing, must be manufactured with absolute accuracy. CNC turning makes that possible, transforming raw materials into high-performance medical components. CNC turning is the ideal choice for medical manufacturing, delivering large-scale consistency. The process is fully automated and computer-controlled, ensuring that every cut, every angle, and every diameter is replicated with perfect repeatability. Medical components often use challenging materials such as stainless steel, titanium, and cobalt chromium alloys. These biocompatible metals are strong enough to endure the human body, and CNC turning has the power to shape them with micron-level precision. Some devices require extremely small components, such as connectors for surgical instruments or miniature shafts in diagnostic equipment. With Swiss-type CNC turning, even the smallest, most delicate geometries can be machined with stability and precision. Multi-axis CNC turning allows complex profiles and intricate geometries to be produced in a single setup. This reduces handling, minimizes error, and guarantees the kind of flawless results demanded by the medical field. The result is precision medical components, durable housings, strong shafts, and critical connectors, built to support the next generation of healthcare innovation. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on CNC and precision machining.